To begin, select an image from the Elements tab and position it on the canvas. Resize and adjust its placement as necessary. Utilize the BG Remover tool to eliminate the image background. Next, explore the Elements tab for gradient that fades. Choose a suitable color graphic and add it to the canvas. Ensure the canvas background color matches the gradient color. In the Elements tab, search for light, and place a circular light on the person's head on the canvas. Then, drag the light below the person's layer. Duplicate the gradient fade graphics and adjust their positions accordingly on the canvas. Reintroduce the image onto the canvas. Remove the person's background and refine its size and placement. And there you have it! I hope this tutorial was informative and beneficial. Thank you for watching.